Hello, welcome on my new video. This video is focused on Mr. Paint colors. I'll be using Mr. Paint metallic colors. Then I will be using Chrome Metallic from Mr. Paint, Super Silver Metallic, Duraluminum Metallic from Mr. Paint, So I have ready MiG-21 PF from Eduard in 72 scale for airbrushing. This plane was flown by Nguyen Van Cock from North Vietnam's Air Force. For work with Mr. Paint colors you need no thinner. I have Infinity Harder stain bag with nozzle 0.15. And for spraying of Mr. Paint colors I'm using pressure 1 bar. This surface is drying really fast. After applying of surface, I started basic painting with chrome color. I had no fear from tearing off the color with masking tape because the colors from Mr. Paint are really resistant. And some parts of plane was in natural metal. The difference between natural metal and painted panels I've done with masking tape. And these places I'll be airbrushing with Super Silver Metallic and Duraluminum Metallic. For final difference of panels, I'm using duraluminum color. I'm satisfied with Mr. Paint colors. Because the colors are drying really fast, you can touch the model in each seconds. And I think that effect is perfect. Okay, thank you many for watching. Watch my other videos on my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel. And one more time, thank you for watching. See you next time.